Today I'm doing a collab video with Teresa, who is fresh and renewed with Teresa. I am making her a really cute card. She doesn't know I'm making it for her, but I want you to hop on over to her channel next and see what she created. We're both going to be using the Easy Wonder Die number 2, designed by LV Handcrafted here on YouTube. So she designed this awesome die. You pass it through your cutting machine and you get several cuts at the same time. So this is a really great die. If you enjoyed Easy Wonder Die number 1, you'll love Easy Wonder Die number 2. And then there's some add-ons to help you create some mats for some of the layers in your Easy Wonder Die. There's also some card sketches on the back that you can follow, but there's so many possibilities. And if you need any inspiration, we have an Easy Wonder Die playlist. All of our dies are made in the USA. Today I'll be playing with the Love and Macaroons paper pad. So this is really pretty. This is a newer paper pad in the shop. Yummy page full of macaroons or macarons. And then we've got a nice yellow, and I love this color. Really pretty. So the colors in here are really, really pretty. You get cutouts in this paper pad, so you can fussy cut them out or run them through your Brother Scan and Cut. I ran mine through my Brother Scan and Cut, and then I cut this one out with a stitched oval. Love that blue. So pretty. That blue with the yellow. Love it. So really cute. You get 4 sheets of these cutouts. So what I'm going to do is, let's pick out a sheet I'm going to use for the Easy Wonder Die number 2. And I'm trying to get a picture in my head what I want to do. Since I am making Teresa a card, I'm using You Are My Bestie, because she's one of my besties. And then we have this plate of macarons. And I think I want to use the tea to go with that sentiment. Maybe this image as well, like that, something like that. We'll see if I use this one. But definitely want to use the teapot and then have this on there. Maybe have it sitting on top of this sentiment. And then I'm thinking, let's see if we want to do a vertical or horizontal layout. We can have these 2 images go across. I think that's going to look good. All right, so let's think about our patterns. I think that would look really cute in the background. So we could use this as our matte layer. And this would look cute too as the matte layer because it kind of matches that. But most of the matte layer is going to be covered up. So I think we'll go with this one. I really like these blue stars. All right, let's cut this out. So this will be my mat. I can use some blue stars. Maybe I should do, this blue glitter is really pretty. I think I want the blue glitter as the inside of the circle. So we'll use the add-on to cut out a circle. And then let's do yellow. Either yellow or that blue stars. Let's do the blue stars. So I'm going to use this one. Let's grab my die cutting machine. Put those to the side. I hope you had a chance to play with your dies. So I am adding a little washi tape so this doesn't shift around on me. And I'm running the word thanks towards the rollers. I think that's going to give it the best cut because we got more cuts on this side than just the straight edge on the other side. I have a shim down, a very thin piece of plastic. It's the shim that came with the machine. And then we've got our base that comes with the machine, and I'm using acrylic plates. It's very important to use the acrylic plates with these dies. These dies need a lot of pressure. So the Magic Mat is, I find, way too soft, and it kind of just squishes the paper. So get your acrylic cutting plates out, and I'm just going to run this through. Okay, so we got these great cuts with stitching. Really, really cute with the stitching. And then on this one, there's a little heart stitch right there in the corner. And then we have the word thanks. When you can pop these out and maybe inlay them with another color. You can pop them up. There's different techniques you can do with that. All right, so we have that. I'm going to cut out another oval using the add-on. So for the add-on, we have the ones highlighted in blue are going to layer up. So we're going to use the smaller one and either use that on the inside of our circle, or we can use the bigger one and cover up the circle. So I chose to use the larger circle. I'm going to go ahead and cut my base at 4 inches wide by 5 1/4 long. I have a pink card base. I'm using the Barely Art glue. I did restock this in the shop if you're looking for a refill. I do have the refills and the mini size and the original size. The one I'm using here is the original. This is my favorite glue to use. I don't ever get any lines on my paper when I use this glue, so that's why I love it. Okay, so now we can put our oval down and put this on top so that it's kind of peeking behind it. Or we can put it on top so it's over like that. I kind of like it over so we could see that beautiful stitching. Okay, so I have some pieces left over for another card. Let me get an idea. Let's see, I'm going to have my You're My Bestie. A little T. And then maybe we'll have this in the background. We'll see. Something like that. So we're going to do a pretty simple layout. Okay, so I could pop this back in just so everything is flat on the inside. You could also inlay this with another color, cut out another sheet of paper. Have you seen the mood board challenge this month? So we have a beautiful mood board that Teresa creates for us every month. We do give away a $15 gift certificate. All you have to do is link up on the blog. Get inspiration from the mood board, whether it's the colors, the images. Create a card and then link up, and I will pull a winner for a chance to win a $15 gift certificate to the shop. I love seeing what you guys create. You can use any products you have. You do get some extra entries if you do use Not Too Shabby products, but it's not required. So let's see if I want to use this macaroon. Ooh, I kind of like it up there in the middle. Let's see. Not sure if I want that macaroon plate back there. I don't want it to be too busy. So let's see if I can find a layout that I'm happy with. Okay, I'm kind of liking that. All right, let's glue this one down. So who's excited about the upcoming virtual retreat? Enjoy this life. I can't wait. I can't wait to hang out with you guys. The retreat is on September 14th and the 15th. We'll be chatting all day in the live chat. So I hope you guys can join us. The retreat bundles are selling fast. They're no longer on pre-order, so I am shipping them as soon as the orders come in. But there are limited bundles left. So if you haven't gotten your bundle, now's a great time because you can still get it in time for the retreat, so you can craft along. Okay, so I want to pop these two images up, so let's attach them together. It'll be easier to add the foam tape. And I can kind of position them how I want. We have to make sure that the cup and the teapot are standing straight up together. Okay, so it's going to go like that. We're going to add foam tape. Okay, so I got all the release paper off. Now let's add this so our teapot is straight. I'm going to try to get it even. There we go. And then we've got our sentiment. I've also got this one popped up. I kind of want to tuck it so it's like that. Okay, I'm going to tuck it in just a little bit like that. Let's make sure I'm getting it straight on. Okay, there we go. All right, let's bring out some magical enamel dots. We always say our enamel dots are magical because we create them for one collection, but then we find as other collections come out, they match perfectly with something else, so they can carry you through other collections. Now this collection is the Cherry Blossom Spring Cottage collection, and look at that. It matches perfectly with this paper pad. We've got those teals, this dark color that matches inside of the sandwich, the light pink, the white. So perfect. So I'm going to use this light pink. So 3 cute little enamel dots. And let's use some crystal glaze. I want to add it to the coffee. Okay, so this is going to complete today's card. I hope you stop on over by Teresa's channel. She's Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, and see what she created for you guys. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys!